Let's talk about multiple streams of income. Hi, Andrew Woodward here from The Investor's Way. And as I said, let's talk about multiple streams of income. Because let's face it, single income households are not going to cut it in this new post-pandemic economic environment. And the simple fact is that you've now got to be looking at other ways to earn an income. If it is something that you want, a secure financial future is something that you want, then you need to be looking beyond just a job, because we all know that a job is just over broke. And for most people, what this last 6 months has probably shown you is that a job just does not secure your financial position, whether it be now or in the future. So you have to be looking at multiple streams of income. And if you're sick of working for somebody else's dreams, somebody else's wealth, all the hours you're putting in to grow somebody else's wealth or to fund somebody else's holidays rather than your own, then it's time to start looking at multiple streams of income. And if you want to control your future, you want to be the one in control of your time and your earning capacity, then let's have a look at multiple streams of income, or at least another stream of income beyond just a job. And if you take this seriously and you apply some time and effort to it, then this stream of income could eventually overtake and replace your income from your job. And once you've achieved that, you then have the power of choice. The choice as to whether or not you continue to work while you build this other income. The choice as to whether or not you decide to walk away from your job and concentrate all your effort on this other income. These are the things that I want for you, because as I said from the outset, working for somebody else's dreams, goals and holidays will not satisfy your heart or your dreams or your own goals and your own holidays. It's all about what can you do to take control of your money, your financial future and your time. The most important thing we have is our time. So let's have a look at one of the ways that you can create another income stream, and that's to start making money online and potentially starting your own online business. And the great news is you don't have to have had any experience with online business or to have your own product to get started. And that's one of the most amazing things about what's called affiliate marketing, is you can be marketing somebody else's product. They've done all the hard work to create it. You just come along and introduce it to people, and if they buy, you earn some money from that. And that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. And it's one of the important streams of income that I think you should have, everybody should have. But I think, if you're watching this video, then you're interested in this type of thing, and you should be adding affiliate marketing, online marketing to your streams of income. So the best way to get started is to be mentored by someone who's done it before. And I made the decision to be mentored by someone who's grown a business of over $100 million and in the online space. And the great news is he has a free training to show you how you can get started. And if you really want to take it to the next step, so you watch this free training, you learn all the basics about what it's about, and then he will show you for just $7 a month how you can start your own online marketing business, affiliate marketing business, to promote other people's products and start earning some online income. And as I said, having this ability to grow effectively and efficiently following the system of someone who's made over $100 million is a great way to get started. And you might start out just earning $100 and then a few $100s and then $1,000 and then multiple thousands of dollars. But the thing is, if you follow the system, if you follow what this $100 million mentor will teach you, you can be on your way to replacing your job and replacing that income from your job and freeing up your time to do more of what it is that you love, rather than what a boss tells you you have to do. And a boss who tells you what time you have to be doing it and tells you when you have to be in the office or when you have to be working, whether it is working from home or working in an office or working in the field. It doesn't matter. If you're working for somebody else, they control your time and they control your earning capacity. And the great thing with an online business is you control your earning capacity. It's up to you how much time you put in, how much effort you put in, and how much, therefore, income you can make. So if you're excited and really want to see what it's all about, click the link below to get the free training. It's an amazing free training. You'll learn so much just from the free training. And if you want to take it another step, then for $7 a month, my mentor will show you how you can grow an online business to multiple thousands of dollars quickly and effectively. So click the link below and I'll see you on the inside of the community as we grow each other's businesses to replace that job that you no longer enjoy and really would like to escape from. So click the link below and let's get you started today.